हेलो एंड वेलकम। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हमने आपके लिए टॉप एमसीक्यूज़ लाए हैं पॉलिटिकल साइंस सब्जेक्ट के लिए। अगर आप जीके पीएससी लेक्चरर एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो फिर तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। तो सिलेबस की अगर हम बात करेंगे उसमें आपको पढ़ना है वेस्टर्न पॉलिटिकल थॉट, इंडियन पॉलिटिकल थॉट। ऑफिशियल सिलेबस अभी फ़िलहाल नहीं आया है, लेकिन ये दो सेक्शंस आपके सिलेबस में रहेंगे ही रहेंगे। तो आज हमने कुछ एमसीक्यूज़ लाए हैं इंडियन पॉलिटिकल थॉट यूनिट में। इसमें आपको ब्रह्म समाज, आर्य समाज, अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट, इनके बारे में पढ़ना है। तो इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप एमसीक्यूज ऑफ राजा राम मोहन राय's कंट्रीब्यूशन। लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राजा राम मोहन राय वाज इंडियन रिफॉर्मर एंड राइटर, फाउंडेड ब्रह्म सभा इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर। ब्रह्म समाज को ब्रह्म सभा भी कहते थे। तो ब्रह्म सभा किस ईयर में फाउंड हुई थी? 1828, 1829, 1834, 1830। इसका जो राइट आंसर है दैट्स ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1828। Next question is Rajaram Mohan Roy has been dubbed as the father of. Options are sociological thought, father of Indian Renaissance, father of Indian political thought, none of the above. इसका जो right answer है that's option number B, father of Indian Renaissance. Next question is Rajaram Mohan Roy earlier started Atmiya Sabha in 1815 in. Options are Calcutta, Agra, Jaipur, Surat. इसका जो right answer है that's option number A. The next question is the Vedanta College was founded by Rajaram Mohan Roy in the year of 1825, 1826, 1827, 1828. इसका जो right answer है that's option number A 1825. Next question is Rajaram Mohan Roy, the title Raja given to him by which one of the following Mughal emperor? Options are Shahjahan, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Akbar Shah II. इसका जो right answer है that's option number D Akbar Shah II. Next question is which one of the following was the first complete Bangla grammar written book of Rajaram Mohan Roy? Options are Gaudiya Vyakaran, Bangla grammar, Shaduvasha, none of the above. इसका जो right answer है that's option number A. Question number 7 is Rajaram Mohan Roy was opposed to Sanskrit system of education because of which reason? राजाराम मोहन राय संस्कृत एजुकेशन के खिलाफ थे। इसके पीछे क्या वजूहात थे आपको यहाँ बताना है। Options are he thought it is a pretty complicated language, Sanskrit commonly not spoken in everyday life. Option number 3 is he thought it would keep the country in darkness. Option number D is all of the above. The right option is option number C, he thought it would keep the country in darkness. Question number 8 is the book Tawfatul Muwahhidin written by which one of the following reformer? Options are Sir Said. Option number B Rajaram Mohan Roy. Option number C Zakir Hussain. Option number D Maulana Azad. इसका जो right answer है that's option number B Rajaram Mohan Roy. The next question is the book Tawfatul Muwahhidin written by Rajaram Mohan Roy in Murshidabad in the year. Options are 1804, option number B 1805, option number C 1807, option number D 1825. इसका जो right answer है that's option number A. Next question is which social evil did Rajaram Mohan Roy strongly campaign against? Child marriage, untouchability, sati, dowry system. इसका जो right answer है that's option number C. Next question is Rajaram Mohan Roy is associated with which one of the following reforms in education? Promotion of Sanskrit education, establishment of modern English education, development of technical education, introduction of women's education. इसका जो right answer है that's option number B establishment of modern English education. Next question is which journal was started by Rajaram Mohan Roy to spread his ideas? Options are Kesari, Tatwabudini Patrika, Sambad Kamudi, The Hindu. इसका जो right answer है that's option number C. Question number 13 is what was the Rajaram Mohan Roy's main aim in advocating for abolishing of sati? Options are economic upliftment, women's rights and dignity, spread of western culture, religious conversion. इसका जो right answer है that's option number B women's rights and dignity. Next question is what kind of worship was promoted by Brahmo Samaj? Idol worship, polytheism, monotheism, ancestor worship. इसका जो right answer है that's option number C. Question number 15 is Rajaram Mohan Roy was influenced by which religious text for his reform ideas? Vedas, Quran, Bible, all of the above. इसका जो right answer है that's option number D. Next question is what was the original name of Brahm Samaj? Atmiya Sabha, Pirarthana Samaj, Arya Samaj, Bharat Sabha. इसका जो right answer है that's option number A. Question number 17 is which British Governor General supported Rajaram Mohan Roy's reform movements? Lord William Bentinck, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, लॉर्ड कॉर्नवेल्स। इसका जो राइट आंसर है दैट्स ऑप्शन नंबर ए, लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट वाज राजा राम मोहन रॉयज मेन अप्रोच टू रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रिवाइवल ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल हिंदू प्रैक्टिस। ऑप्शन नंबर बी, synthesis of Western and Eastern philosophies. Option number C, encouragement of idol worship. Option number D, promotion of Buddhist philosophy. इसका जो right answer है that's option number B. Next question is question number 19. Which Mughal emperor sent Raja Ram Mohan Roy to England as a ambassador? Akbar II, Bahadur Shah II, Aurangzeb, Jahangir. इसका जो सही आंसर है that's Akbar II, option number A. The next question is which one of the following books was written by Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Precepts of Jesus, Geet Govinda, Hind Swaraj, Ananda Math. इसका जो राइट आंसर है दैट्स ऑप्शन नंबर ए। तो ये थी टॉप 20 MCQs। अब हम इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को फिर से एक बार रिपीट करेंगे ताकि आपको ये क्वेश्चंस हमेशा याद रहे। तो जल्दी जल्दी यहाँ पे हम इनको देखेंगे। ब्रह्म समाज फाउंडेड इन 1828। Who is known as father of Indian Renaissance? Answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded Atmiya Sabha in 1815. Vedanta College was founded in the year of, answer is 1825. Next question is the title Raja given to Raja Ram Mohan Roy by, इसका जो आंसर है that's Akbar II. Next question is the first complete Bangla grammar written by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The book is Gaudiya Vyakaran. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was opposed to Sanskrit system of education because he thought that it would keep country in darkness. The book Tawfatul Muhayyidin written by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was strongly opposed to which practice? That is Sati system. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was associated with establishment of modern English education. Which general was started by Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Sambad Kaumudi. Raja Ram Mohan Roy main aim to abolish Sati system, women rights and dignity. What kind of worship promoted by Brahmo Samaj? That is monotheism. Next question is Raja Ram Mohan Roy was influenced by which religious texts? Vedas, Quran, Bible, etc. The original name of Brahmo Samaj is Atmiya Sabha. Which British Governor General spoke to Raja Ram Mohan Roy? That's Lord William Bentinck. Next question is which Mughal ruler sent Raja Ram Mohan Roy to England as ambassador? That's Akbar II. The book written by Raja Ram Mohan Roy is Precepts of Jesus. तो ये थे कुछ टॉप क्वेश्चंस और राजा राम मोहन रॉय। वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आया वीडियो को लाइक कर लेना। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और एक MCQ वीडियो लाएंगे इंडियन पॉलिटिकल थॉट यूनिट में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे।